So good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn about geometrical verification of identity a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how to verify geometrically we will see. Okay, so what is our identity? A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have to show this. By using this we have to show this one. So what is the term here? A plus b. That means A, if you add with b, it will be forming a plus b. So I am taking one line here. So I am taking one line. So here from here to here it is a, and from here to here it is b. So if I add these two lines, a line and b line, if I add, then only you will get a plus b term. Is it right? So if I add a line and b line, then only it will form a plus b line. Okay, so now already we got a plus b. A plus b square. Square means draw a square with the help of this. Okay, so this is a plus b square. Okay, whole square. A plus b square. I hope you are understanding. So a plus b square. So now I am drawing one line here, and also I am drawing one line here. So here it will be a, here it will be here a, b, a, b. So from here to here a line, from here to here it is b line. In the same way from here to here a line, from here to here b line, from here to here b line, and this is a line. So by using this we have to prove that a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we got a plus b whole square. One figure you got. What is that? A plus b. A line plus b line, if you add, total it will become a plus b. So here also from here to here a plus b, and from here to here a plus b, and from here to here it is a plus b. So if you take, this is one square. What is the area of a square? Area of a square is s into s. That means we have to multiply. Okay, a plus b into a plus b will be a plus b whole square only. Okay, area of a square, a plus b, this is whole square. Okay, so area of a square formula. What is area of a square formula? We are finding area of this whole square. What is the whole square value? A plus b. So what is area of a square formula? S into s. So what is the side of a square? A plus b into a plus b. So this a plus b into a plus b we can write in the form of a plus b whole square. So you got this LHS part. Now we have to prove this RHS part. Okay, now so if you take this, this is a square. This is a square. I am taking the first portion. This is a square. So area of a square formula is what? A square. Area of this square will be a square. A into a will be a square. And now take this part. This is also one square. And what is the area of this? From here it is, from here to here it is b. From here to here it is b. So area of this square will be b square. A square value, b square value we got. Now we want 2ab. So we are having two rectangles here. So how many rectangles are there? Two rectangles are there. So what is the area of a rectangle formula? That will be length value into breadth value. So what is the area of a rectangle? L into b. That means we have to multiply these two sides. So a into b will be ab. In the same way, this is one rectangle. Area of a rectangle will be a into b will be ab. Okay, so what you got now? A square. AB plus AB will be 2AB. So A square plus AB plus AB, AB plus AB plus B square. So A square plus AB plus AB will be 2AB plus B square. So this is our geometrical verification for the identity a square a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is our geometrical verification. So once again you see here, once again I am doing this. what is it? We are going to learn about geometrical verification of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first I am writing this one, I am drawing this a plus b line. Okay, first I am drawing this a plus b line. So from here to here, that is a line, and from here to here it is b line. So this is a, this is b. So if you add a line and b line, it will become a plus b line. Okay, so square is there, so with the help of this you draw one square. You draw one square. Okay, so now I am joining the points here. From this point I am taking one line, from this point I am taking one line. So a, this is a, b, a, b, a, b. So how many, this box has been converted into 4 parts. Okay, now if you add these two again, you will get a plus b line segment. If you add these two again, you will get a plus b line segment. If you add these two again, you will get a plus b line segment. So what is the area of this square? I am not talking about inside one, outside one I am telling. So what is this area of a square? Area of a square formula is what? S into S. Side value into side value. So side value is a plus b. Here also the side value is a plus b. So a plus b into a plus b will be a plus b whole square. So we got this a plus b whole square now. Okay, now we have to prove a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this square, the single square has been divided into 4 parts. This single square has been divided into 4 parts. So if you take the first part, this is the first, second, third part and fourth part. Okay, so what is the first part? This is a square part and this is rectangle. This is square, this is rectangle and this is square. So we have to find individually the areas of this figure. So first part I am taking. What is the area of a square of first part? Area of a square. Area of a square means side into side. So area of a square, first part, area of first part, first figure plus area of second figure plus area of third figure plus area of fourth figure. So what is the first figure? That is square. Square means area of a square will be S into S. So that will be A into A. So A into A is how much? A square. First area of first figure you got as a square. Area of second figure. What is area of a second figure? That is rectangle. Area of a rectangle is L into B. Length into breadth. So A into B will be equals to AB. Next coming to third figure. This is also a rectangle. So this is also a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is L into B. So here it will be also A plus A into B. That is AB. Next area of a fourth figure. This figure, what is the side of this fourth figure? B and B. So what is the area of a square? B into B will be equals to B square. Okay. Now A square plus AB will be 2AB plus B square. So we have proved that A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this is our geometrical verification of the first identity. Okay, so on this we are going to start our first bit of the exercise. Okay, so now what is that? Exercise 11.5. First bit only I am doing because I have explained about A plus B. So after explanation of A minus B whole square, we will do that bit. Okay, so first bit is what? Verify the identity whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have to verify this, and they have given a value as 2. First bit in that, a value is 2 units and b value is 4 units. B value is 4 units. So we have to verify this now. Okay, so now a plus b whole square. That means we have to add what they have given. You write first. Given a is equals to 2 units and b is equals to 4 units. So we want to prove this one. So a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so now what is the a plus b? A plus b means it will be 2 plus 4 whole square. Okay, 2 plus 4 whole square. So 2 plus 4 is how much? 6 square. 6 square is how much? 36. So we have to verify this now. Okay, now what is a square? A is nothing but 2 square plus 2 is a constant number. A value is 2. B value is 4 plus b square means 4 square. Okay, now 2 square is 4 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 4s is 16 plus 4 square is also 16. Okay, so how much it will be? 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 16 is 36. So you got here LHS is equals to RHS. Now we have to draw a figure here. Okay, so total how many parts? A plus b means how much? A plus b means how much? That will be equals to 2 plus 4. That means total 6 boxes we have to take. 1, 2, this is 2. This is a value. From here to here a value. Now we have to take b value. B is how much? B is how much? 4. So 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Okay. Till here it is a value, that is equals to 2. Here it is from here to here it is b, that is equals to 4. So 2 plus 4 will be equals to how much? That is a plus b. 2 plus 4 is equals to total 6 boxes we have taken. Okay. Now this side also we have to take 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one is 6. Okay. Now from here to a value is only 2. So only 2 boxes. Still here I am taking. This is a is equals to 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is b value. B is equals to 4. In the same way divide here also. Here a is equals to 2. Here b is equals to 4. In the same way this part also. So here a is equals to 2. Here b is equals to 4. So we have divided the figure. So this is the middlest line. This is the middlest line. So now I am erasing all the lines between that boxes. Okay, so this is a first figure, this is second figure, third figure and fourth figure. Okay, so here what is the first figure? This is a square. So area of a square is what here? Area of a square is equals to s into s. That means 2 into 2 will be equals to 4. So already we got here 4. Okay, next. What is next one? Rectangle. Area of a rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So 2 into 4 will be equals to 2 into 4 will be equals to 8. Okay, again here area of a rectangle, that is equals to, this is rectangle figure. So area of a rectangle is 4 into 2, that will be equals to 8. And this is area of a square. Area of a square formula is what? Side into side, that is 4 into 4 will be equals to 16. Now this one we have to do it in the form of verification. So instead of writing like this, instead of proving like this for RHS, we will prove in the form of first figure, second figure, third figure and fourth figure. Whether you will get the correct answer or not, we will check. So that is area of first figure plus area of second figure plus area of third figure plus area of fourth figure. So what is the area of first figure? This is a square. So area of a square is S into S. That means 2 into 2. That will be equals to 4. So you got here 4. 2 square you write. 2 square plus area of second figure, that is area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle will be length into breadth. So 2 into 4 will be equals to 8. So 2 into 8 plus area of third figure. This is also a rectangle. So 4 into 2 plus area of a fourth figure. Area of a fourth figure is what here? Square. So what is the area of a square formula? That is S into S, that is side into side. 4 into 4. Okay, or directly you can write as 4 square. Okay, now you prove whether LHS part and RHS parts will be equal or not. So here it will be 4 plus 8 2s is 16 plus 4 2s is 8 plus 4 square is 16. Okay, so how much you will get here? 4 plus, sorry, here it will be 4. 4 into 2. Okay, so here it will be 8. 8 plus 8. 2 4s is 8. 4 2s is 8. 4 square will be 16. So here how much you will get? 16 plus 4 will be 20. 20 plus 8 will be 28. 28 plus 8 will be 36. So you got here LHS is equals to RHS. So this is our first verification part. Okay, so this is how you will do the verification. Okay, so this is our first verification. Once again you listen here. So verify the identity a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a value they have given 2 units and b value they have given 4 units. By using these two we have to verify a figure first. Okay, so a plus b, in this identity first term is what? A plus b. A plus b means you add these two numbers, that is 2 plus 4 will be equals to 6. So total 6 boxes we will draw here. Okay, so in that 2 will be a value, 4 will be b value. Square is there, so you form one square and draw a lines. Okay, so this box has been divided into 4 parts. First figure, second figure, third figure and fourth figure. Okay, now first figure is a square, second figure is a rectangle, third figure is also a rectangle and fourth figure is how much? That is square. First figure is square, rectangle, rectangle, square. Okay, so now LHS part you see first. A plus b whole square. A value is 2, b value is 4. Square I wrote as it is. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 square is how much? 36 equals to. Now we are proving from this the RHS part. We are proving RHS part by using this figure. So area of a first figure plus area of second figure plus area of third figure plus area of a fourth figure. Area of a first figure is what? Square. Square formula is side into side. So both sides you multiply, 2 into 2 will be 4. Second figure is rectangle. So what is the area of a rectangle? L into B. So both sides 4 into 2. 4 into 2 will be equals to 8 again. Area of a rectangle, third figure. So area of a rectangle, length into breadth. So 4 into 2, that will be also equals to 8. Last figure is what? Square. So area of a square is S into S. So multiply the sides. 4 into 4 will be equals to 16. Now you add this 2 square plus 2 into 4 plus 4 into 2 plus 4 square. 2 square, 2 into 4, 4 into 2, 4 into 4. Okay. Now 2 square is 4 plus 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Add these all, you will get it as 36. So by seeing this, LHS value and RHS values are equal. Okay. So with this, in first bit, first one is completed. Second and third, we will continue next class. Thank you.